Welcome back everyone. Today in this video we are going to look around 5 websites that can provide you remote specific work. These websites will help you search job from your home and allow you to generate income while staying in your home and also working remotely for many large companies. From full-time to part-time, this jobs website will provide you an opportunity to apply for many jobs during this epidemic period. Also keep in mind, in this list I have not included few highly popular job websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, etc. because we all know about them and also they have a very high competition while hiring. So all that, let's dive into the video. The first website in this list is FlexJobs. FlexJob has over 50 career categories with job ranging from freelancing to full-time, from executive level to entry-level jobs. The best part of this is they screen all the jobs before posting, so you don't have to dig through shady opportunities while searching for job. This site currently hosts more than 20,000 job listings, including from part-time to freelance opportunities. So this is the first website. Go find the new job today. With that, let's move on to the second website. The second website in this list is We Work Remotely. This job board is a catch-all of all the remote jobs, from customer service to software engineering to programming to designing, whichever category you know, it has a job for you. This company has job opportunities from large companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, etc. So you can trust on it. This site is sure to host remote opportunities for some of the hottest tech companies around the world, with this making it great resource for searching jobs for new startups and other work processes that are going around the world and be a part of the remote working community. The third website that can help you search a remote job and is a new one is SkillBridge. SkillBridge is a great website focused on connecting top tier performer consultant with short-term engagement for high impact corporations. As a consultant, you can focus on only remote work and only on projects that you are passionate about. The SkillBridge site and this model is just a dream come true for a remote worker. So go on, visit to SkillBridge and search the job that fits your capabilities. The fourth website in this list is Remote.co. Remote.co is another large remote job site covering a variety of fields, not just the programming jobs. By browsing their remote job categories, you can find position in accounting, editing, writing, quality assessment, marketing, legal and much more. But this site is also a fantastic choice if you are coming from background that hasn't been shown in remote job working, such as legal, accounting. This job site has all the categories that you can work along with many job opportunities. The fifth website in this list is Outsourcely.com. So Outsourcely is not a best name for a remote job search engine because we all temporarily think it is a job for part-time or temporary period as we hear the word outsource. But this is not true for this website. However, when you go through the job board, you will see majority of jobs that you will find there are full-time remote positions. Other thing that I like about this is the job descriptions are so detailed that the job seems highly quality overall. So this website is certainly worth a look for you if you are searching for any remote jobs. With all that said, this was the list of 5 resources from where you can get high quality remote jobs for a long period of time and generate wealth. But always remember while applying to a remote job to keep few things ready with yourself, like resume, your portfolio and the work you have done. Also, if you are a freelancer, please remember that to create a practice portfolio for yourself where you show your skills to the employer, as it increases your ability to gain trust and land that jobs. Please Inquire before you apply for a job properly, and if your skills satisfy, then only apply for these jobs. That's all for today's video. Feel free to drop a like, as it helps the YouTube algorithm to learn about me and how I can help other people around the world. Share it to your friends searching for remote jobs during this period of lockdown. That's all. Thank you.